The iPhone's great for many things, but one thing I don't understand is why would they not put a pause button on the video recorder? So, not a huge deal. I just prefer that it came with it. But you just go to the App Store and type in video recorder with pause, and this one has 11,000, close to 5-star reviews. And we're gonna hit enable camera, enable microphone, and now I can record like so. And there's the pause button. So I can pause, unpause. Boom. So just saves you time editing. Commercial break. No, then they're gonna try to charge me money. Remove all ads, unlock everything. $1.99.
There's the pause button.
Do I really have to watch a commercial for each one? Oh, and they have like a watermark on there. Fuck this. This is nuts. I gotta pay money to have a pause button, Apple? What's going on with you?